update on the saving one day saving diamond painting projects that I received in exchange for making these videos. And here's a look at the footage of me putting together the project. As you can see, I always work, well, I try to work from the bottom up and from right to left. I find that way I keep the sticky part of the panel intact. And it's just something that I've learned over time with doing different projects. It just works really well for me. The other thing you may see there is that I did transfer all the diamonds into little bags that I prefer to use, that I purchase at Dollarama. And I do have a video explaining how I set up usually my diamond painting practice or sessions, I should say, and how I organize all my drills for all my projects. So there will be links for those videos in the description below, as well as some iCards in the corner. So overall, I'm pretty pleased with the end result, and I'm pleased with the product. I had everything I needed in the kit, with a lot of extra little diamonds left over for other projects if I want to. This was the first for me of these projects where I had different types of little diamonds or gems to apply. There were some different shaped ones, and they were all very sparkly gems. They were like applying little rhinestones. And in the end, I'm pretty happy with my project, because not only did it go fast, it took me a couple hours, and it might have taken me less time had I not been interrupted by two fluffy felines, and not having had to pick fur off the sticky panel, which is a word to the wise here when working on diamond painting. I recommend that you keep your cats away from your project. Otherwise, you'll be picking fur out for hours of your project. So there are links in the description below the video to the kits that I received, and there's also a coupon code for you to use to save $5 off your order if you choose to do so from Saving One Day or OneDaySaving. And that code is for a one-time use, and it's only good until the end of April. So please keep that in mind for anyone that could possibly be watching this video after April 2023. So yeah, so the rest of the video you can see me working really fast. Now I actually just fast forwarded the footage, applying all the little diamonds to the project. I tend to work one color at a time, trying to do the color that there is the most of first, and then I go back and do the other colors. this, but I'm gonna say it again. These gems are really shiny. They're really like rhinestones, and I'm trying to show that to you here with a close-up. It looks a little blurry. I'm sorry about that. I was just really trying to show how shiny the diamonds are. As I mentioned in the beginning, this project was fun because I got to use these rhinestones that were different shapes from most diamond paintings. And here again, I'm showing you these really big gold-like diamonds that I get to play with. And they go on just like a regular diamonds, by the way. You just pick them up with the tool and stick them on the sticky canvas, no problem. But they're just different, and they're actually beautiful. So I'm very, very happy with that. If you're interested in doing some quick diamond paintings like this project that I'm doing here, or some larger ones, and there's other crafts that you can check out on the website at OneDaySaving. There's all sorts of things there. They have crochet, they have, of course, diamond painting. I think they have wax seals and such. And don't forget to use your coupon code if you so choose to go there. And here is my final project. Here's the tote bag all finished. It's a nice size tote bag, not very big, but I think it'll be handy for carrying maybe like a pair of shoes in the winter, or it could be great for carrying little things with me on trips to the hospital and such. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I'd appreciate a thumbs up. Please like, comment, share, subscribe if you haven't already. Don't forget to click on the bell to be notified whenever I post new content. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, stay crafty. Bye.